Good morning, welcome to Field Sing number 122. Here I am in a field. There's actually a beautiful view behind me. I don't know how well you can see it. But I've just stopped off in a field on the way to Durham. I'm heading up to Durham today just to do a little bit of word spreading about my show Songbirds, which I'm performing next Tuesday to Friday at Durham Town Hall as part of the Durham Fringe Festival. So if you're anywhere near there, please do have a look on the durhamfringe.co.uk website. There are loads of shows happening. There is theatre, music, comedy, all sorts of shows, something for everyone. There's family shows and there's late night shows and all sorts. And I'm performing at 5:15 at Durham Town Hall on those days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I would love to see as many of you as possible there. Anyone who's anywhere near Durham, please do come and join me. I'll put a link in the comments for tickets. So yeah, have a look at the website and see. So today I'm going to sing one of the songs from the show, of course. I've done this a couple of times in Field Sing before. Normally when I'm performing a Songbird show, I like to sing this song. There's the view again. Do comment if you're there and let me know what you're up to today. And if you're watching later, still comment and share this post as well. So here's Field Sing number 122, and this is Songbird. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel like when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before. To you, I would give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel like when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbird keeps singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel like when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Thank you so much for listening to Field Sing number 122. That was Songbird. one of my favourites, and a song which quite aptly features in my Songbird show, along with lots of other brilliant songs. I've got some Carole King songs, Karen Carpenter. I've got 3 Victoria Wood songs, including one which I might record later on if I can find a suitable location. I've got Annie Lennox, Alison Moyet, Kate Bush, not those actual ladies obviously, but some songs by them which I'm going to be singing and playing in Songbirds next week. So please help me spread the word by sharing any of my posts, and if you know any of your friends who happen to be in the Durham area, do tell them about my show, and hopefully I can share it with as many people as possible next week. So thank you for listening to Field Sing number 122, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.